Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay Cash. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on Apple Pay Cash. And follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Verify your identity by entering your personal information. This step is important to comply with legal requirements. Once verified, you can add money to your Apple Pay Cash card by tapping Add Money and selecting the amount you want to add. You can now use Apple Pay Cash to send money to your friends and family through iMessage, make purchases in stores, apps, and online, or transfer your balance to your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay Cash.